If you want to find more great teacher tees like this, jump on over to shellycreatesit.com. Today I'm going to show you how I designed and cut the Very Merry Teacher shirts. So I am in Silhouette America, and here I'm just rearranging my design. And, just pick the dang zebra and do it already, because you can spend forever doing this. So I outlined teacher by creating an offset. Then I create an inner offset of the outer offset. Then I combine those together to make a compound object. Because I want to make the teacher part bold, this will create a solid outline to make it pop. I also merged the Very Merry and the black outline of teacher together. Then I proceeded to do the same with the Christmas trees, providing an offset to each one and rearranging until I liked it. After you provide the offset, don't forget to merge or make into a compound object. Then arrange each color, make sure it's flipped reverse as many times as you need to. So I'm making 4 shirts and I put them on the correct size of my vinyl. And then I go to cut them out. I'm cutting with Siser Electric, Blade 3, Force 6, Speed 8. Copy that with the black, Blade 3, Force 6, Speed 8. I have my teacher arranged out and then I cut it out. Then I repeat the same process with the Christmas trees, but this time it's going to be glitter vinyl instead of electric. I also added some names in here for glitter: Blade 2, Force 22, and Speed of 5. And for some reason I lost the footage of it cutting, but here's some of me loading it in. Alright, I will post the next part of this on day 3 at 12 Days of Christmas, and you'll see me weeding and applying the designs to the shirts. Let me know if you have questions about heat transfer vinyl or the silhouette machine. Thanks for watching.